Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, change the color, duplicate the shape, select another shape, select the 3D shape, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a photo. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.